Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Okay, now so I want to show y'all something else that you can see right here. You know what I'm saying? The grill is missing. The headlights are missing. So let me tell y'all what I'm doing with that. As you can see right here, you know, the grill is off and it's been painted. You know what I'm saying? We got that red on there. Just set it off nicely. So as y'all can see, it was a little like teeth in between the grill, but I took those out. I'm gonna order some different ones to go in there, like a mesh type to go on the inside of that, but for now we're gonna leave it like that. So yeah, I think that red on there make it look hard, and I don't think no other Durango's gonna look like this. And as you can see, we got the headlights over here. They've been smoked, you know what I'm saying? So we smoked the headlights. I don't want to go too dark on them, you know, but they have been smoked. And also the fog lights are done, so I didn't smoke the fog lights as well. You can see in there, you know. So this thing is coming together. Pretty nicely. Now, okay, so now I have the grill and the lights drying. I have some LED lights here, if you can see. I'm finna install these LED lights, in the fog lights because they're still on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these LEDs, and I also got some LEDs for the headlights. So once those finish drying, we'll install those too. But yeah, man, I'm about to get right into it. Alright y'all, so now we got the fog lights installed. Let's go ahead and turn them on and see how they looking. It's definitely working. Definitely working. You know, that's how they looking. So that's how it's looking right there, man. Could have probably did a better job on painting them, cause you can kind of see the paint drippage. You know, you can kind of see the paint drippage a little bit, but shit, they work, and that's all that matters.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Rex with me, Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah, actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me, cause I smash his freak. Damn, actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap, your majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king.